Okay everybody, I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce a new project that I picked up today. I've been looking for a garden tractor for about a year now, and I just haven't been able to pull through on any kind of deal until today. And so this evening I picked up this 1983 John Deere 214. It's in pretty nice shape. It has normal wear and tear on it. And one of the reasons I picked this tractor up was because of the history of this particular tractor. I actually purchased it off the original owners. The husband bought this tractor brand new in 1983 and unfortunately passed away in 1984. But after that, his wife kept the tractor and has used it to mow their property ever since. The previous owner's done a great job at taking care of this tractor. I have receipts for nearly everything over the entire history of the tractor. I also have the original owner's manual, the manual for a front blade, which is no longer with the tractor, manual for the deck, and even a 1983 brochure for John Deere lawn tractors. And like I said, a folder full of other receipts. I even have the original invoice for it. So as of right now, my plans for this tractor are just to go over it mechanically to make sure there's not much it needs. According to the receipts, there really shouldn't be. Right now, the only mechanical problem I can really find is that there's a fair amount of play in the steering wheel, so I might look into getting a replacement worm gear for that. I checked the variator when I test drove it. It works fine. The deck's fine. One tire that has a slow leak. Everything else seems to be fine. Now, it has a set of wheel weights on it that aren't John Deere wheel weights. The guys over at Mag Tractor Forum seem to think those are Sears Suburban wheel weights, which if you're looking at some of the photos, I agree. I'm not sure what I'll do with those. Like I said, the shape of the tractor is really nice. There's no damage anywhere. Just normal wear and tear on the paint, where on the footrests or on the fenders where you get some wear from somebody getting on and off the tractor. Deck's in really nice shape, no rust on the deck. And under the hood, it's also real clean. I'm a little confused why the colors on the battery terminal seem to be reversed. At some point somebody replaced those, and I'm not really sure why they used red for negative and black for positive, but I think I'm going to go ahead and change that at some point. Tomorrow I'm actually going to get a tiller for this from somebody locally that I know, so that'll be a nice addition to it also. Other than that, it doesn't really need much. The seat's pretty much shot, so I'm going to get a new one of those and just use it. I'll also be documenting everything I do with this tractor here on the channel. So if you want to keep up with that, just go ahead and like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.